Hey guys, it's Kevin Abbey here. Last video I showed you eco tank. If you get the ink pad is full air and like a maintenance required, you can take the waste tank out. It normally is on here and either clean the sponge inside or just throw the sponge out. However, you also needed to reset the counter on the printer. That's going to give this error. So Abby here going to show you how to reset the counter.
Hey guys, it's Abby here. I had a customer bring in an ET2720 printer. They didn't want to have it modified to an external tank, so we're going to go ahead and reset the waste tank for them. We're going to go ahead and go to inkchipnet, which is a trusted site by us here at BCH Technologies. What we're going to do is go to WIC here at the top, W-I-C. And we're going to click that, which brings us here to our next page. Go ahead and scroll down. They don't have many languages to choose from, but if you speak one of these, go ahead and click yours. Mine is English. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to go ahead and give us a download up here. You can either click that, or from your download file, I'm going to go ahead and click yes. And I'm going to go ahead and download this. Yes, I want that. Okay. So here I'm at my desktop and I see INKCHIP WIC in English. For some reason I also see it gave me in Russian, Portuguese, and Spanish, and the Turkish version. I speak English and I read English, so let's go ahead and double click INKCHIP WIC English. Service here should be pretty easy to understand. She wanted me to reset her waste ink, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I went ahead and connected my printer with the USB and powered my printer on. So we're gonna go ahead and press the refresh. Where's our refresh? Alright, so we're gonna go to waste ink counter. And we're gonna drop this down. So we see it's ET2720. We're gonna go ahead and read the waste ink counter. And boom, 100%. This counter has reached its limit and needs to be reset. Alright. And then we already read it, so now we're gonna reset the waste ink counter. Now it's gonna give you a very long key to insert, so instead of trying to type it over and messing up, the best thing to do is just highlight it, copy, Control-C, and then come over and paste, or Control-V, whatever you want to use. Alright, so we read, done, please restart the printer in order to finish the counter reset process. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off my printer, which is sitting beside me, which is turning off. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn back on my printer. Go ahead and exit out of that. I'm just going to go ahead and back out of here. Go back into waste ink counter, drop down, and I'm going to find my printer. So read the waste ink counter here. And then we see it says 0%, this counter is okay, 0%, this counter is okay. And there we go. That is how we are going to reset the waste ink counter. All right, happy printing, everyone.